আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আপনাকে যদি ইংলিশে ফ্লুয়েন্সি বৃদ্ধি করতে হয়, ইংলিশে কন্টিনিউয়াস কথা বলতে হয়, সেক্ষেত্রে আপনার যে কাজটা করতে হবে, আপনাকে প্রচুর পরিমাণে প্র্যাকটিস করতে হবে। উইথআউট প্র্যাকটিস ইটস ইম্পসিবল। সো দ্যাটস হোয়াই ইউ টেক এনি টপিক. Basically, you are beginner, also I'm a beginner. I am learning. Whatever I learn, I am share with you. So at first you take easy topic and after that you explain this topic. And today I take a challenge. I make 100 video and my video topic is related our life and basic need essential thing. Then I am share this thing for the reason I have to change myself. I need to change myself. So that's why I take this challenge. And also you take this challenge because when you practice more and more, that time your confidence will be increased. You can speak fluently in front of any where. So that's why you take a challenge. I take today's challenge and today I selected topic greetings because greeting is very important for spoken. Greetings means when we meet any people that time. At first we say Assalamu alaikum, how are you, good morning, this kind of word. This called greetings. And today I'm share two type of greetings. One greeting is casual and another is formal. Where you use formal greetings and where you use casual greetings also I'm share right now. Formal greetings use formal place in your office, in front of your boss, any Bible, and when you go to abroad at first you face ambassador. So when you go to ambassador that time you use greetings politely and use formal greetings. And formal greetings means your tone must be polite. Always your tone must be polite. Assalamu alaikum, good morning. How are you all? This is Mr. Fine in front of you. This kind of. And another thing is casual greetings. What is casual greetings? When you meet your close friend, your family member, your colleague, that time you use casual greetings. Casual greetings means natural, normal. Hey, what's up? This kind of sound. So when you meet your close friend, your family member, and when you know any people, that time you use casual greetings. Hey, what's up? This kind of sound. And today I'm share this thing. I hope everyone understand. And I know I make more mistake, and but I don't care because I am improving myself. So also you take a challenge and take easy topic, after that explain this topic. I know in initial you make more mistake, it doesn't matter because I also make more mistake, because when you practice more and more, that time your mistake must be removed and you will be a good speaker. Your English level will be increased. So that's why take a challenge and make video. And I know you think when you make mistake, what will be people say? People say anything, I don't care because I need to change myself. I need to improve myself. That's why I take a challenge. Also, you take challenge, you will be success. And everyone pray for me. I am apologize for my any mistake. I know I make more mistake. So in future, I will be a good speaker. Everyone pray for me, support for me. Thank you everyone for hearing me with patience. See you again. Bye bye. Tata.